Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. Tracy here, and I might sound a little bit different to normal. I actually have a little bit of a voice today, which is a bonus. Yesterday and the day before it was really much worse, although strangely I feel worse today, which is weird. Anyway, this video is kind of a happy video, although I might look, I'm really happy, and that is that there are two, at this precise moment in time, YouTube creators out there that are showcasing, if you like, my products from my shop, hobbyvox.co.uk, and that's phenomenal. I mean, when I first started, I never thought that I'd get to that stage, you know, and it's pretty cool. Albeit that one of them received it as happy mail, and that is the lovely Crystal from BAGODAY. And I have to say that I am eternally grateful to the person who ordered that for her. And it was this Santa sack, a mystery bag, or a secret Santa mystery bag. And I got very clear instructions of how it was to be sent and what was to be said. But yeah, the selection of goodies was kind of a collaboration. So I obviously, we do know our Crystal, don't we? So we do know what she loves. So yeah, if you haven't seen Crystal's video, it isn't sorry about that. It isn't overly obvious that that's what it is. It's the video about her blankets and the charity that she auctions those for. So in that video there is the blankets at the beginning, and then there's some happy mail. There's not just mine. There's 3, I think, in all. So mine's slap bang in the middle. And it is really worth watching the video, because if you didn't know about the auction, that's one way of getting involved. And the happy mail, that's the other. It's it was really lovely to watch, and you need to stay watching right to the end, not past my segment, because I say my segment, it's not really mine, past my Santa sack. Well, it's not even my Santa sack. The person who ordered its Santa sack from my shop, there you go, get beaten up in kind of all kinds of words, but past that there is some more happy mail that is stunning and very well, overwhelmingly amazing. So yeah, stay right to the end and watch that part 2. I don't mean part 2, I mean watch it as well, you know. So yeah, the Santa sacks, they are 2 different types: pre-filled small, pre-filled large, or you can buy them from the accessories page, empty, and fill them with the yarn of your choice. So the pre-filled are like a mystery box and can be found under mystery boxes. The empty can be found under accessories. I feel like I'm going to sneeze. There's still time to get yours, and still time to order them and have them sent wherever you like. I do ship them worldwide, and my shipping is quite reasonable because I do it weight-based. And I'm going to be looking into a new courier soon, so it might even get lower. But let's see if it comes off. Excuse me. So that's the first one, Crystal from BAGODAY. I'll put a link in the description box to that video, and yeah, it is quite nice watching her, and it's brilliant for me to watch her unwrapping one of my products, because I come up with these ideas, you know, and I'm immensely proud of them, because it was like a little, ooh, guess what I could do, you know. And one thing I've really, really loved is choosing the range to sell at hobbyrocks.uk.co.uk, and choosing the range is fun. The space I've got to store is not fun. It's a fun space, but I just wish it was 20 times bigger than it is. But so I'm phasing out some yarns and bringing in new. I'm not phasing them out altogether. I'm going to continue to do King Cole. People love King Cole. I've obviously got Stylecraft, Sheep His. I know it's not pronounced that way. I'm not good at that. Signet. Who else do I stock? There are so many. I've got Karen yarn. Oh, there are so many I can't remember. James C. Brett, the Flutterby yarn and recycled yarns by Retwist. There's the t-shirt yarn, mega cheap at the moment. Lots and lots. There's so many I can't begin to remember them all. But they're there, and they are being expanded upon, as well as all those fabulous accessories. Now, a few people have been asking me about the I-cord knitters. I will be getting them in very, very soon. I should get that onto that today if I can, although I do have a doctor's appointment. Okay, so the second person that has been showing my yarn at hobbyrocks.co.uk's yarn is Lisa from Ladybird Loves. Now, Lisa has a piece that she does where she spends £30 budget. I think she's going to put that up. I think I remember her saying in her next little segment, to do with when she gets enough members or something. So she has this budget, and it doesn't matter, the shipping is included in that budget. So obviously if she orders from abroad, that's less yarn. And when she gets that, she'll do a giveaway. So a Hobby Rocks order that she placed is now this giveaway. So I will link that video as well, so you can get involved and join her giveaway and get maybe some chance to get hold of my yarn at hobbyrocks.co.uk, which is I only stock gorgeous yarn. That's the stipulation. The yarn has to be gorgeous, but then isn't yarn gorgeous? So yeah, so I'm going to put a link to both of those videos down below, and I don't think I've got anything else to tell you other than, oh yes I do, there is a voucher code that is valid until the end of the year. Underneath the video there's a link to my shop. There's also a voucher code. You can use it on every order, so even if you've ordered before, you can use it again and again and again until the end of the year, which I know is coming very soon. When I first did that voucher code, it was a long way off, but now it is rapidly approaching. But there will be another voucher code to replace it, or something. I have an idea of something I can do in January. Anyway, if you're interested in my Santa sacks, when you go onto my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, a little pop-up will come on, and it will have links so you can find it and find the empty ones to fill yourself. And also, I just need to let you know that there are free patterns on my website, not just the downloadable type, but there are free patterns that you can put in your basket and have put in with your order. Tangible, tactile, real, live patterns rather than downloadable and on the interweb thing. Real pieces of, card with pattern in it and pictures and instructions and all that. So they are there. There are some that you can buy, obviously, from many, many suppliers, but there are quite a few freebie ones. And quite a lot of my new yarns have free patterns. So if you're browsing for the yarn, make sure you check out those free patterns, because you can put them in your basket. You don't have to buy the yarn. So if you wanted to buy, for instance, the pattern for Savannah, but you didn't want to use Savannah, you could just put that in your basket with your goods and check it out. don't have to be buying Savannah, but obviously if you did, it would match up. So thank you for watching, and my voice gave out, just about held out. So I'm off to the doctor's now, and dosed up with painkillers and whatnot. But if I look awful, I do apologise. I haven't slept very much, and well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.